nature kingdom can prevent the sting of hoof, the claws, and also the teeth. So the true nature kingdom. That's knowing nature, knowing your environment, know your circles. Wherever you live, know what's around there. Know what could hurt you and what can't hurt you. Learn the nature. If there's bees, if there's spiders, if there's rattlesnakes, if there's scorpions, or if there's mountain lions, or something that creates a flow of blood or of death, learn what encircles you in the form of knowing what is out there in the natural world. So learn your circles, know true nature, the nature of things.
To attend or live stream the next Star Knowledge Conference, go to starknowledgeconference.com.